Hi, can I do the laundry here? So how much per kilo?
Today and tomorrow may different price.
So what's the price?
Today 350 rupees, tomorrow 150 rupees.
And the day after tomorrow will be 100?
Yes, tomorrow evening 100.
100?
Yeah, tomorrow 7:30 evening 100 1 kilogram.
Yeah, so I will come tomorrow, right?
Evening?
Yeah.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, thank you. Why? Why is that price varies?
This one is time is different and different price. Emergency is different, normal is different, and long time different. Washing is same, no problem.
Yeah.
2 hours same washing, 1 day 24 hours same washing. Just
So it varies from the machine?
yes, machine wash.
Okay, I will come tomorrow evening, maybe.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah, okay.
Today bring now, tomorrow evening 100 rupees.
What?
Today bring now every time,
Yeah.
and tomorrow evening take it 100 rupees.
Why?
Yeah.
Okay, bye. Hi, can I do this laundry here?
Yeah, when tomorrow, okay?
Today?
Today?
Yeah.
Today? Sorry.
No? Only
Today.
2 days?
Today, this is 1 kilo 400 rupees.
Yeah.
2 kilo 800 rupees.
One, I guess
2
one.
kilo, yeah, like 2 kilo.
2 kilo?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, yo. Oh, the stuff nikala tha. Sister, this one, this is the time gone, you know. Tomorrow 5 p.m. 100 rupees per kilo.
Am to 12 a.m. Some to 12. Okay, that's what time I can take it, right? When it's finished, right?
When? Today?
Just those options.
Option here.
Yeah, those options are the time
Yeah, time.
when I can finish it, right?
Tonight.
Yeah.
Tonight 400 per kilo. Tomorrow 12 o'clock 200 per kilo.
Yeah. Okay, I think that this is
This is
it's
100
okay.
rupees tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow is okay.
Tomorrow 5 p.m. Okay?
Yeah. Okay.
What is your good name?
Carol?
Your English name?
Yeah, English name.
Which country?
China?
Huh?
China?
China. Why I know your name European?
European?
European name.
European name?
你叫什么名字？
Oh, okay. My Chinese name is Yixuan. 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 Because you already use my English name in foreign countries. Yeah.
China.
Yeah.
Today 10, 7, 11, 7 kg, 100 rupee per kilo, 200 only.
Yeah.
200. Maintain TO, YAMO, RRO, tomorrow, 5 p.m.
You Nepali? Are you Nepali?
Yeah, my business, Kunmin.
Kunming?
Yeah, Kunmin,
Really?
Chengdu.
So what kind of business you
Yeah,
run?
because this Pashmina.
The pearl?
Yeah, Kashmir. And, fair. Fair means marketing, once, 1
Yeah.
year, 2 years, 3 times, 4 times, market.
Yeah.
Yeah, China government,
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going there.
So you hold the visa
Yeah.
here?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Anything.
Is the business good in China?
Yeah. Business good, this one your.
Yeah.
Business good and people also very good.
People
I
also
like
are
Chinese
good.
people.
Yeah. Chinese
Chinese
Chinese-
people I like, I know, ni hao.
Yeah. Only ni hao.
Ni hao ma.
Okay.
How about there also? Minten, okay? Minten 5 p.m.
Okay.
You paid Minten, okay?
Okay. Okay.
谢谢。
Thank you. 谢谢。
谢谢，明天见。
谢谢。拜拜。
明天见，拜拜，欢迎。
拜拜。